everybody, welcome to our Tuesday live. Sam right here, I know you guys are usually used to seeing her on this live, but today she's lost her voice, so I am here. My name is Lisa and I'm one of the hot buyers here at Lip Boutique, and I'm so excited to show you what's dropping into our stores today in Boston. These items should be online very soon, and of course Style by Lit is standing by to make sure that you have all the information you need on what we're presenting, including price and the name, and we'll try to include sizes and what we think about fit as much as we can during this live session. So again, it's probably one of my first times, so hopefully I don't screw this up. It's super nerve-wracking. Sam, I don't know how you do it. So here we go, all right? And there's quite a bit of things to show you guys this week, so I can't wait to start. So we're gonna start with Blank NYC. Those of you who have been with us for a very long time know that Blank does a great pair of shorts and great pants, which are these leather ones I'm wearing today. First thing that's arriving in stores are these great crossover shorts. It's a nice high rise. The fit of the shorts on top is the exact same fit as these leather pants that I'm wearing. It is a nice 7-inch inseam, which makes it kind of a little bit more conservative. So if you're going to tuck it, if you're going to the Cape and you're looking for that kind of fashion statement, but still within the realms of, you know, the vibe of the Cape, you have a nice little crossover, French tuck into your shirt, super cute. And Blank always have a great price point, so I think these are landing in at $78, right? Super cute basics. Next up, for 4th of July, we had this already, one round. We just got this back in time, and we love these. So, Haley, I know that you've been looking for these at Hanover Street. These are landing today, so come get your size 26. We love it paired back to like one of these shirts where you can just kind of French tuck it in, kind of like your alternative 4th of July. It doesn't have to be so literal red, white, and blue. Great little clean look here. And this top is in stores today as well. Next up, we have Free People, and Free People have just introduced their great sustainability line. And we love this because, again, as much as we love fashion, we want to make sure that in some ways we're doing our part to make sure that the planet is still here for the next generation. So they started their sustainability line. This is one of the first tank tops from them. Really great little natural exposed seams. Everything in this is made from plastic bottles and recycled fabrication. And you'll see it's breathable, it's lightweight, but not see-through. So perfect with like a pop of color over your white jeans or over with these like fantastic new Free People pants that we just got. And these pants are awesome. So super clean, lightweight linen, a great pop of color for tangerine. And one of the things I love about this is the fact that the wide leg is not too wide. So for those of you who've always been a little bit petite and can't really do that loose fit, these are the pants for you. In addition, the construction of this is more like a jean, so it is a zip fly with belt loops. The back of it is perfectly flat, so there's no bunching, no accentuation. It just goes perfectly, sleekly tailored all the way down. I think these are great summer pants, and if you haven't been in the store lately, we love our fun pants now. So, many of you guys are getting back into going out. Those of you who are single, I know haven't dated in a while, so we are getting more and more requests in what we call our first date or second date tops, and I think this one is a great one. This is also by Free People, really, really beautiful and soft, the perfect amount of deep V, all right? So what we mean by a first date top means that you wanna be feminine, you wanna be pretty, but you don't wanna show everything off. Also great if you have a bridal shower, baby shower, any type of like fun events that's coming up that requires you to be a little bit more conservative, but still you and pretty, right? Great little Free People top, super flattering ruching on the bottom. There is a little bit of flexibility too with this band on the back, this smocking. Okay. Sam, this has you written all over it. We love our clean white linen tops. This one is by Mink Pink. And super pretty bubble hem here on the shoulders, a great little one shoulder. And what we love, especially with Sam and I being 5'9" and 5'8", we can't do crop tops well. So this little peplum on the bottom really kind of like works for our body type. So if you're a little bit taller, you're a little bit older, you don't want to do those crop tops, but you still want something fun, this is such a great little top. Another thing I love about it is the fact that the tie is completely sewn in on one side, so that when you do tie this over to one area, it's a super neat look. So you can either tie it as a big bow for that dramatic effect, or if you want a cleaner, sleeker look, just completely wrap it around, tie it in the back, and you end up getting a great waist accentuation right here. All right, cool, cool top. Also a really great first date top too. I love this. Sam and I both looked at it and we're like, this is us. So we love our menswear here. We love our French tucks here. So a couple of things with this shirt that I absolutely love. First thing to take notice is this seam right here. It gives you a great little interpretation. I don't know if you can see because my hair is in the way, but when you wear it, it kind of gives you this great little shape here that's like a little natural, softer of a shape than your traditional menswear shape. Another thing I love about this top, this shirt, is the length of it first of all, and the fact that it has super long slits both on the sides. So that when you are able to tuck it like this, it's a completely clean look from the side, completely loose look from the back. You don't have this weird pull that you sometimes get with shirts that's not designed for this, all right? Another thing that we want to kind of talk about is that how do you French tuck something really neatly, because this is how the shirt looks otherwise. I would not wear it like this. I would either tie it in a tie really loosely like that, or I would French tuck it like the way I was doing. So to do that, fold it up really cleanly, kind of like origami. Each fold does work. Accordion fold it so that you're not tucking a whole bunch of fabric into your pants. And then just simply tuck the very top of that fabrication in, all the way to the back, and then you end up getting such a clean little line. You don't get a weird pooch right here. Perfect little look from all sides. All right, love this top. So on the other side of this, Mink Pink does great sets for us too, and this is so adorable for the summer. It's I think they always work in this weird Floridian, resort fabrication, and this is no different. Super soft fabrication in coral. These shorts are belted, also snapped. Minimum pleats in there, but it is a little bit skirtier. The top that Sam is holding up is so adorable. Bubble hem on the bottom, bubble hem on the sleeve. Can be worn strapless or with the sleeves on top. Take them apart, put them together. It works either way in such a cute way. Mink Pink is also infamous for little summer dresses. They usually land around $78 and $88, and this one's no different. Really, really pretty powder blue with little brown accents for flowers. I'll show you the bottom of this too. Super pretty flutter, really, really soft fluttery chiffon. Okay, and this comes in at $89. Perfect for your kind of like casual but not casual things. A lot of you guys are having Vermont weddings. I've been calling them your firefly weddings, so think mason jars and like sunflowers. This is the type of thing that you're probably looking for an event like that. Events are happening, so we have baby showers, we had graduation, and it's all happy events. So we are all about happy prints, and this is no different. Mink Pink is infamous for their coloring, so this, I don't know, it's hard to see with the filter, but it's such a bright, hot orange over kind of like a cream background, so the print really does pop beautifully next to your skin. Again, in a really, really lightweight jersey fabric, silky to the touch. It's just one of those things that you want to wear when it's 90 degrees out and hot. Sam is wearing our next item. She does it so well. This is probably the #1 body from Mink Pink globally. And we've done this dress over and over again in different prints. This one I love because we've always done it with like a poppy print, and this one is black and white polka dot. So super neutral. It really lends itself to accessorization. So put on that bright neon heel, put on a really fun lip color. Neckline is so pretty here with this sweetheart neckline, and the ruching is so flattering. Sam here is wearing the medium, and she has her hair pulled back to kind of really show off the balloon sleeves and all the beautiful details in this dress. So super great for events as well. Brides, bachelorettes, it's your alternative white. It's not all white, so it's been a great option for you guys too. We know you don't just go out, you have to work. So here we go, work top. Great with a pair of jeans. You're in real estate, you're in PR, whatever you have to do, you have to get on that Zoom meeting and you want a little dash of color. You're not feeling yourself today, you want something pretty and blousy, this is a top for you. So super pretty, lightweight. It is lined on the inside, so you do not have to worry about a cami. And I love the fact that it is a little bit of a bubble hem, so it stays down. and it's not cropped, so you're guaranteed to be professional in this top. So like I said, you know, we like to think that our lives is full of play, but we do have to work as well. Next one we have is for the summertime. It's this beautiful, beautiful maxi dress. So we love this for a couple of reasons. One, the fabrication, super lightweight, super flowy. It just moves with you. Another great thing is that we love kind of like a no bra dress where you just need to do petals. So whenever we get this kind of like gathering of fabrics right here, I think is super flattering in the summertime. In addition to why we love it, this is one of the few baby doll shapes that we think that's actually really flattering to your body. So this little area goes right below your bust, and then everything else just flows from there. Because it's so adjustable, you can cinch it and really kind of make your body shape come out too, okay? Now, those of you who are pregnant and those of you who are expecting, this is also a really, really great dress for you because again, everything here is a funnel. Pull this closer together, add a little clip right here, and then you have so much room to grow into with your belly throughout the summer. It will become one of your favorite pieces. We love a good baby doll like this. All right, next one we have up is, I think you showed this last week in a different print. So we had this in a little cream and orange print. Everybody's been kind of asking for that little black dress again, and this is definitely ours, right? What's great about this particular piece is that this whole entire back side is a funnel loop right here, so you can choose to really be flexible and close it up, but keep it open. This super low back is also super flattering. It's gonna end right above where your high-waisted jeans will go to, so it will not show underwear, but it will show your entire back, which is one little delicate straight in the middle. A perfect little summertime dress. No bra is necessary because it is double layered on the inside, so you'll see it's a nice little soft mesh layer on the inside and then a nice hardy crepe on the outside. We love this little girl. Up next, two little fun summer dresses. This ruching, you know, we've always kind of been hesitant about ruching because I recognize a lot of people feel like ruching puts a little bit of weight on them unnecessarily, but done well, ruching can be so flattering, as you can see on Sam. So this one is done really well as well. It's not that puffy, super fun colors, perfect for summer, right? Again, your firefly weddings, right? Your mason jar weddings, your baby showers, anything where you just need to have a little dash of prettiness. This is what you'll want. Also a mini as well, but not that mini because again, Sam and I landing at 5'8", I can actually do this. So, along the same lines, you guys have been asking for a little bit more of skirting. I think for a while there, everybody was stuck in dress mode, but now people are willing to kind of outfit a little bit more. So we bought in this little girl, super cute, super short, but what we love about it is again, the ruching and the way that it's constructed. So being a mini, it will never fly up when you're walking through that city. It will always stay down towards your body, right? And again, just because it's a mini doesn't have to be so showy, so totally pair it up with one of these like oversized shirts and it could be just as cute as well. Okay. Last week, I think we showed you one of our favorite designers called Pepper Mayo. It's like an Australian brand. A lot of you guys have already gone into the stores and gotten that crow top and gotten the Audrey dress. Two more pieces from them, super groovy together, of course, and you'll see our famous jewels in this later on, roller skating. So definitely a little bit of a summertime vibe. We know it's not for everybody, so definitely you can take this apart. This green will look so good with a pair of white jeans, right? How clean, grassy it will look. This is so much fun with something more natural even over it, like this, so that you just kind of have like a really, really natural look to it as well. So together I know it's a lot, but you know, for that special event, you can definitely do it. All right, last two things, or actually three things to show you. These pants that I'm wearing, I love these. So we've been looking for the right leather pants for a very long time at the right price points, and we really think that we found the right one. So Blank NYC has turned probably their #1 body into a faux leather, but the fabrication they picked for this is on point. Super soft, super stretchy. It is lined on the inside with a very thin layer, so when you pull it on, it feels really good. The leather fabric is not right next to your skin, and it does have a little bit of a stretch line to them. The bottom of these is a straight leg. I don't know if you guys can see my feet. I'm trying to get back here. but it is a straight hem, and there is a little bit of a seam right at the knee, which I think is actually really, really flattering in the way that it kind of just goes straight from that point on, okay? Now, I did size up on this. I am a perfect size 27, but I chose to go into a 28 because I really wanted, they felt really good on my thighs, but for me, I really wanted the room up on top so I can tuck something in so that when I wear a crop top, it's not cutting into my stomach. It's like kind of just grazing it, all right? So we do suggest if you're between sizes to go up in these. Next are joggers. Blank makes these every single season. They are like a perfect cupro weight, super fluttery. They do have a band on the bottom, and this is a great color, like a soft charcoal, kind of like a Sharpie charcoal color. Super neutral, pop of color. You can go with your whites, you can go with your tans. It goes with almost everything. One of the colors I do really like with this is actually that kind of pretty lilac purple. It tends to pick up that gray really well. So I know that we just got a great boxy tee that's in that lilac purple. Really great little casual outfit right there. Last thing, which I am so excited about, is this new bag from Bellini. So Bellini is our shoe company. We also just got in their sunglasses, and here is their bag. This is a perfect little white bag to go with either a dressy outfit like this or to go with kind of like a casual little outfit like this. It really has like great flexibility in the way that it looks. You know what I mean? So great little white bag. Come and get yours. I believe it's priced at like less than $70, so way below your designer values, but you still get that look in. All right. Thank you very much for joining with us this week. It's been fun. Hopefully Sam will get her voice back by Thursday, and she'll be back on. But and then I hope to join you guys sometime in the future as well. Bye.